B106 93 groove. It's one of the harder ones to use in the standard tracing adapter because when you have deep cuts throughout the key, it will want to rock down on you, and you can't clamp directly on the cuts themselves because it will angle out. So what we suggest is kind of crude but works. Just a paper clip. Go ahead and fold it out. And then open up the clamp. Feed the paper clip into the milling. Or I'm sorry, the groove for the board. Bring out your paper clip so it holds in there nice and tight. Okay. Put it down. And go all the way to your tip stomp. And then make sure that the groove itself is straight. It should never be kicked. Like, for example, this would give you high readings on the bow side, low readings on the tip side, and then, vice versa if you go the other way. So just make sure that it's straight, and it shouldn't, just wiggle it a little bit, not too much, and it should stay in there.